Okay, folks. Uh, my goal is to show you guys how to build, or how I build my layouts. What you're seeing currently is an N-scale layout. The table itself is 8 foot by 7 foot. This particular table started with HO scale trains. Now, for a beginner, an 8 foot by 7 foot is not bad, but as you advance, it becomes too small. So I converted this to N scale with some serious landscaping going on throughout the table with inclines, declines, uppers and lowers, water effects, tunnels, LED lighting, and so on. From there, as the COVID-19 shutdown hit us and we started to self-isolate, I had time to finally start building my HO scale layout. This particular table is 21 feet 2 inches this way. It is 8 foot 6 inches from here to that wall, running through a wall. I have built and am building a swing gate, which is here, so that I can get to the inside of this. The outer table, which is here, is 30 inches wide. The inside table here is 30 inches. My ends are 40 inches out from that wall and that wall. I have a 30-inch walkway through the center so that I can come in here and work from either side of the layout. The trick with the swing gate, which I will approach in another video, is to make sure it is level with either side of the adjoining tables. I also put a lock on it to hold it in place. I will be adding another one on the inside of that gate for one on inside in the middle of the layout. This table has 3 main lines. It has the first main, which has 2 sidings, one of which is, and let me show you that, and bear with me, guys, I'm sorry for a lot of the back and forth, but the main line, first main, is right here. So as you can see, I have a siding coming off here and over here. I have another siding coming off right there and coming around like so. Let me get to the outside to share the rest of it. My apologies again. It comes around and connects right here. Now, the second main is my center line. It is strictly a straight oval running all the way around the table. The third main has 1 siding. Now, the third main is my inner track out here, my outer track in here. So the siding is here, running through and around to here. Now, from there, I currently have the main line, the first main, and the 2 spurs. One is just a direct spur, the other one comes to a Fleischmann turntable and then back into a maintenance yard. So my spurs are here and here. These are wired and operational. Now, as things progress, I will be adding additional videos. So please be sure and hit the subscribe button to see updates as they occur. My control board so far is right here. What you're going to see is my toggles here. They are dual pole, dual throw, or DPDT. So if I flip downward, I'm running DC or analog. If I flip upward, I'm running DCC or digital on all 3 of these. My 205 switches here add power to my sidings and spurs as needed. Over here, I have my switches or momentary switches for my turnouts or points. All done. Now these are all done off of DC transformers. I'm not running DCC on these. I can run DCC here and flip my turnouts on the DC accessory side and control what I'm running in and out. So I can run either or. You'll also notice I'm running an NCE power cab and a Pro cab. I will be adding an additional NCE power cab as I build my upper level or upper deck, as the case were. Again, I will be adding videos for wiring, and as I finish my swing gate, which is here. Again, the trick with the swing gate is to make sure your plywood is flush on either side in your opening, so that when you lay your foam board, everything is nice and level, so that when you cut your track to open, everything realigns when you're done without something being higher or lower. And another food for thought, to make this work properly, what I do, or what I'm doing, is I will be running jumper wires or feeders from my track here in my swing gate, coming down to my bus wire underneath, with enough slack for the swing gate to open and not damage any of the wiring, so that when I open and close, I will have power running all the way across my swing gate. Again, hit the subscribe button. I will be adding updates as they occur, and adding additional videos for wiring, soldering rails, the whole bit. Thanks, and have a great day.